Dear Madam, I'm Irene Bidona, 25 years old, single, Roman Catholic. I have one brother and one sister. I am the second to the family.
Good day to you, Miss Irene. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, ma'am.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Must be kind, loyal, and hardworking.
So, since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
By keeping myself busy at work.
So, can you tell us how to take care of children?
Sir, ma'am, give them food and vitamins on time, changing clothes, and taking a bath every day.
What if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
I say sorry and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, please hire me because I need this job and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Irene, and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.